Okay, let's start by addressing a common question we get with every new VoIP install. What's going to go wrong? Well, to start with, 99% of all issues with any VoIP system are the network and the internet. So before we even think of putting a VoIP phone system in, we're going to work with you to ensure that your network is designed right, that it has the right hardware, and that your internet will be sufficient to support the voice traffic. So those things, once those things are insured and are guaranteed, you're ready to go. After that, minor issues like firmware on your computer. Is the computer really old? What headsets? Are you getting new headsets? Will you be using your own headsets? So most of those are just adjustments to the hardware, the firmware on your computer, which is pretty routine. And then after that, it comes down to training. Our customer service department and trainers will give you, like with every install, we offer unlimited training. So we have videos, we have pamphlets, our website is a whole library of training material, but we'll also do in-person, user-to-user training, so you will really know it. We believe the better we install your system, the better we train you, the happier you're going to be, and the more you'll take advantage of all that this new VoIP system has to offer.